Welcome to Getting It Done Budget Home Repairs. Today I just want to make a simple video to show you if you have a shed like this and your door opens up and you got one of those springs kind of mechanisms here that holds the door from flying open, but the wind's always blowing it shut when I have it open. So I'm going to show you how you can prevent this. This is pretty simple, just to hold your door open for you. So that's the spring I'm talking about. It'll stop your door from going this way, smashing into your flower boxes or whatever. But it doesn't stop it from blowing shut. And if you're inside and it closes, it's a pain because it's hot in there. So just a simple fix. I put an eye bolt right here under the flower pot. You can put it into the side of the shed itself. And then I'm drilling a hole here, and I'm going to put another eye bolt here. And then we'll run a bungee cord from one eye bolt to the other. So I use a drill bit that's a bit smaller than the eye bolt, and we're going to thread this eye bolt into the door here. So we'll just use a screwdriver to wind it in, thread it back all the way in here. And the reason you want to drill a hole is so that your wood doesn't split. There we go. Then we'll just grab a bungee cord or whatever you want to use. And there we go. That stops our door from going this way. And the spring and chain is going to stop it from going this way. And now your door will stay open. Fresh air goes through while you're working out here using your shed. And you don't have to worry about the door shutting on you. That's how simple it is. If you want to see more videos like this, check out the rest of this playlist. And we'll catch you on the next video.